Hi folks, Jay the RV Coach here at Leisure Time Sales and Quiz Spam says, taking a look today at a 2018 Solitude 377 MBS. And folks, if you're thinking about getting into a luxury fifth wheel, you'd like to save yourself a couple bucks on a great opportunity in a pre-owned unit that's in great condition, this is the one for you. Not only is it in great condition, fully loaded. You can see here you've got an onboard generator, an Onan QG5500 LP generator. Nice big storage space here as well. We'll show you some of the extra features inside when we get inside. There is a washer dryer on board this unit as well. So you are prepared to camp wherever you go. If you're hauling this thing around, you can certainly drop anchor anywhere you want and have a full camping experience. If you're set up on a seasonal lot using this as a cottage, you certainly have all kinds of options too for long-term stays. Let's head inside. Again, this is a 4-slide unit built for families, but certainly has a couple's vibe to it here with the living space being a rear living sectional couch with a full-out bed. You've got a nice comfortable set of entertainment seats right across from the TV. Freestanding dinette with some nice high back chairs there. Let's take a look at the entertainment center here from the entertainment seats. So you've got a little fireplace underneath, you've got a good sized TV and a full stereo system above, which is Bluetooth compatible. You can see here above the pull-out couch, you do have storage. It'd be a great spot to keep your extra linens for when you do have company over. You want to pull out a few blankets and sheets and get them ready to camp with you. You can certainly do that. In the kitchen area, we've got a full pantry, 3-burner propane cooktop, full-size oven underneath, more storage above. Huge fridge. This is a residential style fridge, but it is a propane electric combo fridge, something that's getting rarer and rarer to find these days. My favorite feature in any camper is the extra bar space. So you can set this up as a coffee bar or a margarita bar. You've got all kinds of storage underneath, cabinet space above. Spot here for a few glasses as well, so really just a smart layout, all with solid state countertops throughout the coach so that you've got nice long-lasting quality and durability in your setup. As we head here to the back, we can see right off the door you've got a mid-bunk space. So you've got this pull-out couch. This is a Thomas Paine collection pull-out couch. In the mid-bunk space, you've got a nice window here too. This is set up as well if you'd like to have an office away from home. You've got a little desk here, some cabinet space, TV above. Previous owners had a little clipboard there for the kids to keep a few notes on. But this could be a great bunk space. It could be a great office space as well. If you've got company coming for a while, certainly there's room in here for them to set up and stay for a while. A couple steps up and you're going to see what I like about this is the loft bunk. So a couple steps up this ladder and you've got a nice double bunk on a teddy bear finished mattress. You got a little cabinet space there, a spot to plug a few things in, and if you want to get a TV up here, you certainly can. Mind you, these days most of the kids are using their iPads anyway. So we head into the main bedroom of the coach. You've got a bed slide here, king size bed on a slide. Nice window above and on either side of the coach as well. Little shelves on either side to keep things right at your bedside. Stepping back, you can see here you've got a full dresser, TV above. Mentioned the extra features. We've got an onboard washer dryer set up in this unit as well, and all kinds of storage space here in the front walk-in closet, shelf storage, shelf at the back, and you've got, of course, rod hangers as well. So all kinds of space there to keep everything with you that you may need while you're camping. Folks, I mentioned it at the top, if you're looking to get yourself into a beautiful luxury pre-owned fifth wheel, this is a great way to get into that market without having to purchase new. Great opportunity here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales and Quiz Spam Sys to get into this beautiful Solitude, a 2018 377 MBS. This has been Jay the RV Coach reminding you that from the showroom to the campground, I've got you covered.